Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Ero. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the basic chord progression and some chord patterns that you can play on the piano. Before we begin, if you are totally new to chords and have no idea what a chord is, don't worry. I've made a video on an introduction to chord. You can find the link in the description box below.
There are two types of chords that we should know: major chord and minor chord. Listen to this major chord. It gives you a brighter feeling and it sounds happy. Whereas a minor chord gives you a darker kind of feeling and it sounds sad. As you know, a chord is formed by 3 skip notes or 3 space notes. However, in theoretical way, this is how you differentiate a major and a minor chord. So here are the 3 notes from a major chord and 3 notes from a minor chord. In major chord, the bottom 2 notes C and E are 4 half steps apart, and the top 2 notes E and G are 3 half steps apart. So with this formula, you can create a major chord with different root, which is the bottom note. For a minor chord, it goes the opposite way. The bottom 2 notes C and E flat are 3 half steps apart, and the top 2 notes E flat and G are 4 half steps apart. Now we understand that a major chord, 4 half steps for the bottom 2 notes and 3 half steps for the top 2 notes, while for minor chord, 3 half steps for the bottom 2 notes and 4 half steps for the top 2 notes. So after knowing how major and minor chords are formed, here is a basic chord progression that allows you to be able to play many pop songs. Each chord can be played in different inversion. For example, C major can be played in different ways but within the given notes in a triad. And it can play anywhere on the piano in different register. You can try to play these 4 chords and play each one as many inversions as possible. Left hand can just play the root note. So for C major, the root will be C. The root of A minor will be A, and so on. It's very common to play the root in the left hand. Next, we want to pick inversions that are fairly close to each other and they don't have too much jumps in between. So here are some examples. So once you have gotten those chords under your fingers, the next thing we are going to do is to add some timing and rhythm. Try to keep this nice and simple for now. To start with, you can just play a single chord and count 4 beats for each one. Something like this. Another pattern you may try is called split chords. So basically, what you will see me doing is, I will hold each left hand single note for 4 beats, while for my right hand, I split out the chords and fit them in every single beat like this. Or you may also try a different pattern like arpeggios.
You can try to practice this in different keys. The most common one is in the key of G and F. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Well, see you guys next time. Bye!